Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make the simple and delicious garden egg stew. So for this stew, I used garden eggs, tomatoes, an onion or shallots, scotch bonnets, red palm oil, dried fish, and salt. Start with prepping the garden eggs by cutting off the top, and I like to make 2 small incisions to help it cook quicker. Cut the shallots or onions. If you decide to use dried fish, make sure to wash it and to soak it before cooking it along with the garden eggs. What I personally like to do is cook the tomatoes and the pepper along with the garden eggs, but that is optional. You could also choose to add the tomatoes and pepper later on when it's almost done, so that it only cooks or steams along the last couple of minutes. So here I have my shallots, tomatoes, pepper, and a little bit of the fish, and I'm going to grind until it is smooth. You can add a little bit of salt to help with the grinding. Then add the garden eggs, and grind it with the pepper base. To finish it off, I cooked the remaining shallots and fish in palm oil, and I added it to the garden egg stew. I like to eat this with plantain, with an egg, maybe some avocado on the side, and some more fish. Let me know in the comment section how you like it. If you made it to this part of the video, you might actually enjoy this or this video. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.